inside the parens is what? No. And therefore, it's false. Therefore, we quit the while. So what is this?
Pointer copy.
Pointer copy.
Yeah.
No. Look at the actual line right above it. What is that? String copy. We all know it says string copy. What is this while line doing? String copy. Okay. They're both string copy. One's a called function, the other is let's do it here in line. Is that clear? You see it? You want to go through it? Here we are modifying dyptr1 and we are modifying ptr1 in both cases. So we're stepping through these two arrays, pointers to them, boom, 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 boom. We just move on down the line as we copy. This delete, whoops, what would happen if I said delete? This is kind of silly to think about doing that. What if I said that?
Just delete one element of that array?
Delete one element, but by the time we get to this delete, what element are we talking about? The last one that we may or may not have access to. Okay, supposing that I do this, because Metzler said every time you allocate with a square bracket, which we did up here, you should deallocate with a square bracket.
It's going to delete everything after it of the size of the array.
Everything after it, and then you can expect a problem as soon as you try to end the program, because you'll deleted something that you didn't own. Okay? Is that clear? Everybody see that? Because we are changing dyptr1, this no longer points to the original allocation that we had up here. Okay? Is that clear? Therefore, here's a big hint. We do this statement right here so that temp continues to point to the start of the initial array that we allocated. Even though we change what dyptr1 points at right here, temp still points at the beginning, the original spot. And therefore we can delete it right here and not delete dyptr1. Questions with that? Do you want to see it run or not? We've got 30 seconds. Let me do one thing. Let me comment this out. And that, at the risk of wasting some memory in my machine,
As referred to at the beginning of the class.
okay, so I've deleted all that stuff out. We leave it alone. Let's build it. So we ended, and now, because we had the C runtime environment set the debug flags, because we had that in there, the output window, after we're done, we're no longer running. The output window says, oh, we still had some objects that were left allocated. So we have a memory leak, and it says, well, its normal block starts at that address, and it's 5 bytes long. Here's the string, here's what was in there, these values, and here's the address. You didn't deallocate it, it should have been. So these two addresses now, and those 9 bytes of RAM are unavailable to my machine until I reboot. Is that clear? Questions? We'll see you in lab tomorrow. I think we have 11 o'clock.